Hello guys, today we are going to talk about this iBELL hand mixer. This comes with 300 watt capacity. I purchased this for 900 rupees. It has a lot of features and can be used for different purposes. Let me open this box. Here we have stand. These are attachments. We got free gift, silicone spatula and brush. Here is hand mixer. We got second gift, cake scrapers. These are the items we got inside the box. We'll talk about these attachments. We got 2 attachments for mixing dough and 2 attachments for mixing cream. This is plastic stand. Here we can see brand name. All these attachments can be fixed in these holes. Spatula and brush is not good quality. It can't resist heat. Here is the hand mixer. This is around 20 cm length. It is lightweight, easy to handle. On back side we have some openings for heat dissipation. On top we have this diamond cut design. Here we have all the controls. We have total 5 speeds. 0 is for off position. This button is for turbo mode to use maximum power. This is ejector button to remove attachments. This hand mixer comes with 2-pin power cable with around 1 meter length wire. This is user manual. Ejector button works only when speed level is at 0 position. For any other speed level this button won't work. This is good safety feature. Markings is provided here to match attachment before inserting. Take any pair of attachment, check for this circle. This goes into left side hole. Push inside until it gets locked. Second attachment without circle goes into right side hole. Make sure attachments locked perfectly. Press ejector button to remove attachments like shown here. Let us see how to use this hand mixer to make ice cream shake. I added ice cream and flavor liquid and some water. Use cream attachment and start mixing. Level 1 speed is enough. Here you can have closer look. You can easily prepare ice cream shake under 5 minutes. Next I am trying to make avocado juice. Here I added all avocado pulp. Try mixing first at slow speed. You can use any soft fruits. Don't try with any hot fruits. Now you can increase speed to level 2 if required and mix thoroughly. Add some water and try mixing again. You can add sugar in this stage if required. Don't add too much of water else everything will get splashed. After filtering, here is a thick avocado juice. Now we will see how to mix cupcake batter. I added all ingredients required here. When I started mixing, this frozen butter is not helping much here. I allowed some time to melt the butter and I started mixing again. Don't add any hot ingredients that will put load on mixture or all ingredients will splash around and will create mess. You can use same process to whip cream or to beat eggs. I am adding some milk here and mixing again. Batter is ready. Shift to cupcake mold and this is ready to bake in oven. Now we will see how to prepare dough. Here I took milk with some yeast for preparing dough for wheat bread. I left some time for yeast to get activated. Then I added wheat flour, salt and oil. Just mix with spoon initially. Don't directly use hand mixer. That will splash all ingredients. Now start mixing with dough hooks attached with level 1 speed. Add water and mix again. Keep repeating this process until you get single piece dough. This mixing will help to knead dough thoroughly, which is very important in baking breads. You can follow same process to mix roti dough. Wheat bread dough is ready. Now press with hand for a couple of minutes. Soft dough is ready for proofing. I tried making watermelon juice using this mixture. As this fruit has more water content, there will be splashing. but still we can extract juice easily. Overall, in this price range, this product is worth and it serves the purpose. Only drawback is the speed level button, which is loose, not good quality. This may slide accidentally and change the speed. If you are interested in this product, please check the link in the description. Thanks for watching this video.